questions that ask us to logically complete the text. So we're going to just read what is immediately previous. So because coins with a silver content below 80% were widely considered unsuitable for trade, E et al. Speculate that a crisis in confidence in the currency occurred in Sidon around 367 BCE, which was likely relieved despite Sidon's persistent oppressive financial obligations as a result of B2's successor A1's decision to something. So I'm going to just highlight whatever relieved the crisis in confidence in the currency. And I do want to read up top to find what made there be a crisis in confidence in the first place. And we discover that basically the coin from 450 BCE to 367 BCE shifted in its percentages of silver and copper to much more copper than silver. So in order to relieve the confidence crisis, we're going to have to make it more silver than copper again. So starting with choice A, proclaim that the percentage of silver in coins suitable for trade would be raised to a threshold higher than 80%. Well, if it's at 74.2, going above 80 isn't going to fix anything, so goodbye to choice A. Then choice B, keep the amount of silver in S coins constant, with that in coins minted in 367 BCE, but decrease their weight. Well, we keep the same amount of silver, and then we decrease the weight. Well, that's going to have to lose the copper. So that will fix the problem. So we select choice B. Then choice C, begin minting heavier coins with a proportion of silver to copper similar to that in 367 BCE. Those had problems, so goodbye to C. And then choice D, fund the mining of some copper deposits. Well, we don't want more copper. We want more percentage of silver, so we select B.